My name is Jose. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I can help you.
Get in this stuff so I can get on that.
Is that one?
The lock is right there.
It's running?
Huh?
It's running?
Yeah, it's running.
Okay,
That's
perfect.
the thing.
You pay cash or
I'll pay cash.
cash?
I'm paying
That's
cash.
perfect. This is $50, okay?
All right. I need to get in there and get it.
This is first time? This is first time?
Huh?
First time?
First time? Yeah. Here you go. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, okay?
Thank you.
God bless you.
Girl,
Is
thing is, I was trying to open it.
that one?
Yeah. See, it don't come open like that.
Thank
Okay.
you. Let me.
Is that Jose?